Hey guys, it's me. This is Life with Darlene. So today's video I'm going to unboxing my new coffee maker Keurig. So that's another one I have, but I have another one before that, but that one is kind of a little bit bigger. So let's open the box and see how it looks anyway. Because the problem I have, the other coffee maker I have, um I always changing my coffee maker anyway, so that's how it is. So we're gonna try that. See how they are. Okay, just showing the papers and stuff. And I think that's for the coffee maker. Not gonna do like a long video. I'm gonna short video today. And let's get the coffee out the box. So that's the box. Now I got it at BJ's. I want to get it at BJ's. It was like on like two. I say two. Sorry, it was like 140 something, 146 or something like that. So yeah, that's the fun of it. So that's the coffee maker. It's like you undress the coffee maker. Got long dress on. Laugh that loud. So this is the coffee maker right there. So that's where you put the water. So you know they got those tapes to hold it, so I'm gonna remove them. So because right now I'm thirsty for coffee right now. But this one kind of a little bit bigger from the one I used to have a long time ago. Like you can see that on my video. The other one I used to have. Yeah, this one kind of a little bit bigger. The one I used to have is smaller. But there was a good size. See? That's where you put the water. Take off the top. And you have those numbers on top. So you can pick small, large, big. So, and that's where you put the coffee cups, the little cups, the pod, whatever they call it, pod. And this one is just to hold your cups and stuff like that. See? So remove everything. That's it. So that's the coffee maker. But for me, my favorite coffee maker is like I like Ninja coffee maker. But one day I'm probably gonna buy the new one. I might buy me the new one because I love Ninja coffee maker. Keurig is good too, but I'm just saying the one I prefer. So Everybody probably prefers something else, you know? Me, I prefer Ninja. And that's it. And this, I never use that. I don't know what this is for, but I never use it. And that's it. That's how we do it. And thank you. Subscribe and share, likes, and let me know what you think about the coffee maker. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.